I had upper and lower partials for over 25 years. I was always very uncomfortable about removing the partials. And I always wished and wondered if there was anything that someday, if there was anything that could possibly be done for this. Well, I had gone for a cleaning, and the hygienist explained to me there wasn't much more that she could do for me. I didn't know what the next step was, but she did mention one of the options with dentures, which I probably did not want to. And she told me, I'll have you talk with the doctor and he could tell you about new procedures that we do now.
Carmen came in hesitant. She used to say that she was confident, but she'd find ways to not smile. She used to have partial dentures. She used to schedule whenever she was with her family what time they'd be going to bed so she could finally take her teeth out without embarrassing herself in front of them. We were able to give her a combination of implants and veneers that were able to completely change her smile. Once she saw how she used to look like, she couldn't believe that she had gone so long. With a combination of veneers on the upper and then All-in-X on the lower, she finally be able to have a full smile again.
No pain, little discomfort, a day, maybe a day, and then it was good. I look at it and I'm still amazed that it's me. I have gotten many compliments now on my smile, or even it's not the smile. People will tell me, have you done something? Have you lost weight? Have you done something different? Because you look so great. And nothing else has changed but my teeth, so it has to be that.